Are you trying to create viral YouTube shorts in order to get some funding from YouTube? Yes, if you make great YouTube shorts, and if you are currently residing in certain geographies, then you can earn up to $10,000 per month from your YouTube short videos. According to a study, YouTube viewers, who tend to see a lot of YouTube short videos, also have the shortest attention spans. So merely creating a 1-minute video that delivers great content is not sufficient. In order to go viral, your YouTube short video must show something very catchy within the first 5 seconds, or generate curiosity and have a twist in the end. You could use this technique even for your full-length social media videos.